Alright, what up YouTube? This right here is gonna be my 4th of July stash until I go get more. But first we're gonna start off with this right here. The Cloud Dragon by Legend Fireworks. Okay, the next one is this one, Powder Keg. It's by I think it's by, what brand is this? I think it's Happy Fireworks, I'm not sure. 16 shot. Now we're gonna go with the 100 Saturn missile battery shots, and this is by Legend Fireworks. Then we got a little mini fountain here called Jack in the Box by Legend Fireworks. My next one is M1000 by Legend Fireworks. Okay, and my next one is this one by Legend Fireworks, Galaxy Warrior. It's a 19 shot. Okay, the next one is this one called Yellow Bees by Legend Fireworks. Okay, my next one is this one called Garden Spring, and it shoots flaming balls. This was by Legend Fireworks too. Okay, the next one is this one, Saturn missiles. Each one is 25 shots. Okay, now this one is the bigger version of this one. Yes, the same one. It's a 36 shot, this one. Okay, my next one is Green Bamboo. This one is also by Legend Fireworks. And we got this mini one called 7 Shooter. It's also by Legend Fireworks. Okay, now we got this one, which is called Beyond Desert. It's a 7 shot. Okay, now we got this one called Color Dancing Balls by Legend Fireworks. It's a 19 shot. And then we got 2 packs of Magic Roman candles, and then a mini 5-shot Starlight candle. And then for the finale, Black Cat Party Pack artillery shell. There's 6 pieces in the box. And then another one by Dragon artillery shell assorted. This one's another 6 pieces. And hopefully on June 28th we'll have more videos. So thank you for watching.